In today's safety spotlight, we're going to demonstrate the front elbow. The front elbow is a technique you can use when you're close with somebody. The front elbow begins with rotation from the toes through the hips through your strike. Your elbow, if you make a fist and place it near your chest area, will be set. Your striking area is this bony part of your elbow on the end. The rotation looks like so. In order to give an effective strike, you want to support your suspect's head and drive that elbow into the face. Looks like this. In full speed, the front elbow looks like this. No! Front elbow. Remember, we all have a role in keeping each other safe. To learn more, visit the Safety Spotlight on our website at dps.osu.edu/resources.